Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm a part of a collaboration with some other very talented paper crafters, and I just wanted to show you a mini haul that I'm going to be using to create a mini album. So these come from In Love Art Shop, and I will link all the information down below. But basically I have these little dies, and I was waiting for this to get started on creating my mini album for this little YouTube hop that we're doing. So this is the die specifically that I wanted to use to create this album, and I am going to make it a Halloween theme. So this little guy right here is super cute, and I can't wait to play with that one. I also chose this flower die. This is a little mini box die to make tiny little like milk cartons. And then this last one is a fun little like snow globe die, so I can have some fun with that actually. And I loved these because they're all different shapes, but because they have this stitching detail, that was critical for me. So I think this would be a really fun die to get a lot of use out of. So I just took some plain colored cardstock and I made bases with this die. Just cut them all out of that. And then I took one of these die cuts. I've left this all together so that I can just put a little 6x8 paper pad sheet underneath there and cut out a whole bunch at one time. So it's just one pass through and I get all of these tags. And again, the thing that I really like about them is they've got that fine detailed edge with almost like the stitched look to all of them. You can see it even more prominently on there. So lots of fun shapes to work with for layering pieces. And I've grabbed some materials that I'm going to work with. So I've got the Hey Pumpkin collection, the puffy stickers, I don't even know what to call these sort of sheets of stickers, but these are going to be coming real useful just as background pieces, like those clear stickers. Super good and holographic and everything. I've got the Hey Pumpkin ephemera, the ghosts. I grabbed some fall bows. Actually, look at this. Okay, so I grabbed some Jolie's Boutique. I might use these, haven't really decided yet. Just have them on hand in case I want to embellish with those. I thought these were really cute, but look at this boo. Look at this one. They put it backwards. So I'm not sure if I can switch those two letters to make that work, but yeah, someone made a boo-boo when they put that together. And then lastly, I've got this awesome chipboard to work with. So, and I've also got this too, some washi. So I am going to decorate this and then I'll show you the finished result. And here is the finished product. So I took one of those ghosts, and you remember it was like the long size. I actually cut it down so it would be more suited to this size of the mini album. And I added a little charm and I made a tassel. That was the first time I've made one of those, and that was really fun. I'm going to definitely make more. Watch for a tutorial coming about making those if you want to see how I'm going to make them. And here's my cover. So you can see how I've got that background page, and then I've got these little background accent pieces, and then I've used some chipboard and a fun little puffy sticker over top. And here I've come in with, again, I've kept the same sort of theme throughout the book, and that is basically you take one of those background pieces, put it on a page. I popped it up on foam tape, and then I put a chipboard or something over top. Got 3 pom-poms on there and then a little Fright Night sticker. I love this broom hair don't care, which I thought was perfect for the little broomstick and little witch that we have there. I've just layered up all sorts of different aspects of the chipboard, and I've put some clear stickers, this fun little bat sticker, and that's really cute. So what you'll see here is I have kept the exact same shape on the opposite side. So this was the black polka dot one, and then this is the polka dot one that has the multiple colors, so that it is identical front and back, so it doesn't stand out. And then I just added, these came actually with the ephemera pack, these little sparkles, so I've added those. So this is really cute. This was actually a Halloween ephemera I had from a different collection I just wanted to use up, and it was a perfect size for this round half moon kind of shape here. I really love this stitching detail that is on there. So I've just added 3 elements there with a sparkly. I've put this Hey Pumpkin with a hat on it. I thought that looked pretty cute. And this is a Boo puffy sticker. Love the way that turned out. This is my favorite page. Right here in particular, this side. I don't know why. I just love the way that this turned out. And it's just a matter of layering up a couple pieces of ephemera on top of that same sort of idea page with the background piece. One of those tags in there. And then Candy Please at the bottom. I did tuck a little button underneath that puffy sticker bat. And then this is really fun how this clear sticker looks underneath the October 31st there. I've got this cute little girl, and she already had a hat, but I added this little sparkly part of her hat to her, and I added this little treats on the bottom to tie in this same color that we have going on over there. And I just put some puffy stickers. This is already so big, and I didn't want to cover the words, so I just left that one there on its own. And then the last page is the Beware Boo. I've put the 3 elements of the chunky chipboard stickers, and then I've got 3 elements here of star puffy stickers, and it's got that holographic look. This was really cute, the way that these little ghosts are all sort of peeking out from underneath the Boo to You. So definitely take a look at the other girls who are participating in the swap. I will have all their channels linked down below to see their take on how they created a mini album. I'll also link down below all of the dies that I used and the discount codes for those from In Love Art Shop. Is like a 15% off discount coupon I have for that. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.